Do you wish you had better marketing? It's possible with the right roadmap. Being in business now for 25 years and working with a lot of clients, what I most often see clients come in with is a strategy I call spray and pray. You know what I'm talking about. It's putting out the message, just hoping it's going to reach the right people, hoping it will get the right clients in the door. But most marketing that's done that way leaves you feeling unsatisfied with the ROI and unsatisfied that it's getting you really maybe not the quality of leads that you feel like you should be. A roadmap, however, gives you a comprehensive plan, targets the right type of customers, tells you exactly how to reach those customers and the channels that will be most effective, and then maps out step-by-step directions on how to reach those people and what it'll cost to reach them. Let me give you an example. This company came to us and we mapped out their roadmap starting with a goal and then working backwards. So for example, what customers are the right customers for them? What customers do we need to get and who should we filter out? We, in that process, create what we call personas. Now, a persona is a fictional character that really represents a target audience member that they're trying to sell. That way we can kind of relate to them, understand what gets them to move and make a decision and choose this company. Then we map out what are the specific steps that would help to get that type of persona all the way from awareness to becoming a customer. Now, once we identify the audience, we figure out what are the right messages that will really help to get those type of customers on board and really engage them. Whether that's your elevator pitch, your core values, your value proposition, or things like that, we evaluate what you're using today and then help you take that messaging to the next level in a way that really connects the dots between what makes you unique and then what you can deliver to them and meet their need as a customer. Once we've finished with the messaging, we go and actually create strategies as far as how to reach those customers, whether that's on your website, whether that's through conveying your products or services with video or imagery, or your branding. Your roadmap then delves into your search presence to target keywords they should be going after. How are you being found today? How can we actually use search and even Google ads to target the right customers? And we take you and give you that competitive edge that will help you win over a competitor. Now here's the interesting thing about this company. We started off with a certain goal, and within 2 months, so 60 days of working with them, they called us, the owner called me and said, look, I'm sorry to have to tell you this, but our ads are actually working too well. I said, what do you mean? He said, we've already gotten the type of clients that your roadmap outlined for us. We've driven in the number of clients we need for the year in 60 days. That's the power behind a roadmap and a regular, focused and detailed plan that targets the right people. Now, your roadmap ends with a very important section, and that is, what are the next right steps for each channel to make them better at reaching the right type of customers? And we outline step-by-step approaches for each channel to make them better and more impactful to get the results you want. Every step then is there for you to be able to do on your own, or to have a company like us come alongside and help you implement. At the end of the day, our roadmaps are designed to help you take that next step to better, to make whatever you wanted to be better, those goals that you were hoping to reach, and actually achieve them. That's the power of the roadmap, and that's what it can do for you.